Friends, welcome to our next lecture. Standard 8, chapter number 7, cubes and cube roots. Our next topic is cube roots. Okay. So now cube roots is the reverse process of cube, and the symbol of cube we discussed earlier is denoted 3 in the upper section of a number, and symbol of cube root is 3. Okay, symbol of cube root is root and right here 3. Okay, so now what is the meaning of cube roots? Suppose cube root of 1, suppose cube root of 8, suppose cube root of 27, cube root of 64, cube root of 125. So now discuss about this. 1 means 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. 8 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 27 means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And 64 means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay. So here we can write here same way. Okay. From up to dash to dash. Now 1 is repeated 3 times. So after we complete cube root, we can write here only for 1 time. 3 times 2, after cube root it becomes 1 time. 3 times 3 times 3 times 5. Okay, in the square root we make a 2 group. So now in the cube roots we make a 3 group. Clear? So now the number is 3 times, it becomes 1 time. Clear? So now this is your cube roots. Under root of cube root of 8 is 2. 2 cube is 8. Cube root of 27 is 3. 3 cube is 27. Cube root of 64 is 4 and 4 cube is 64. Cube root of 125 is 5 and 5 cube is 125. Okay, similar we go ahead. Now note down, if a number is even, if a number is even, its cube oblique cube root is also even. Okay, if a number is even, its cube root or cube is also even. Suppose we take an example. 2 is even, its cube root is also even. 2 is even, its cube is 8 is also even. Okay, 64 is even, its cube root is also even. Okay, similarly. Next topic is, if a number is odd, its cube or cube root is also odd. Suppose 27 is odd and its cube root is 3 is also odd. 125 is odd and its cube root is also odd. Clear? So now this is your rule of even or odd. Now our next topic is estimation of cube roots. without any calculation, okay, without any calculation, we can find cube root of a number. Suppose we take a number 3375 and take another 74088. Okay, we want to find its cube root. Okay, but the question is without any calculation. Okay, so now in the square root we make a group of 2. Now in the cube root, I am finding cube roots, we make a group of 3 from unit place. So now this is first group, remainder is, this is your first group and remainder will be as it is. Okay, we make a 3 group, rest will be as it is. There are 4 digits, so 3 digits in group and 1 will be rest. There are 5 digits, so 3 will be in group and 70 will be rest of all. Okay. Now, first of all, discuss about this 375. Okay. 375 and here number is 088 means 88. Okay. From this number 3 group, unit place is 5. Unit place is 5 and in this group unit place is 8. Okay, in this group unit place is 5, in this group unit place is 8. In the previous lecture we discussed about the property of unit place. So now we can write here unit place is 5, its cube root is also 5 in unit place. Now unit place is 8, its cube root has 2 in unit place. Clear? Now this discussion is finished. This discussion is finished. Okay, 5 unit place is also 5. 8 its unit place is 2. Now focus about left number. Left number is 3. Here left number will be 74. Remind 3 is between 1 and 8 means 1 cube and 2 cube. 3 is between 1 cube and 2 cube. Okay, because 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. So 3 is between 1 and 8. So now less number is 1. Less number is 1. So now 1 is your tens place. 1 is your tens place. Again repeat here. 74. 74 is between 64 and 125. 74 is between 64 and 125 because 64 is 4 cube and 125 is 5 cube. But 5 is bigger number, but we use less number and less number is 4. 4 is your tens place. So now cube root of 74088 is equal to 42 and cube root of 3375 is 15. Understand? Remind you, recall you. First of all, make a group of 3. Last digit is 5, so its unit place is also 5. Last digit is 8, its unit place is also 2. Left number is 3. 3 is between 1 and 8. 1 is less, so we use its tens place. 74 is between 64 and 125. We use 64. 64 cube root is 4 and 24, this is your tens place. The number combined, this becomes 42. Okay, simple, done.